Hello students, today we are going to start first unit of physics, that is physical world and measurement. So first of all we should know about science. What is science? The word science has derived from a Latin word that is scientia, and scientia means to know. So we can say science is an organized, systematic, and formulated knowledge obtained through observation, experiments, and verification. Now, science has different branches, and these branches are physics, chemistry, bio, maths. And today we are discussing about physics. Our subject is physics. We will study about physics. So, what is physics? So, physics is a branch of science. Physics is the branch of science. What we discuss in physics? We discuss in physics, we have seen in our daily life there are different phenomena such as so many questions are there in our mind, uh, such as why the color of the sky is blue, uh, why sunset and sunrise is reddish in color, and how clouds are formed. All these phenomena can be explained on the basis, all these phenomena can be explained on the basis of the knowledge of physics. So we can say physics is the branch of science which deals with nature and natural phenomena. Or we can say physics is also defined as exact science, or we can say physics is the king of science, because in our daily life in every step we use physics. So physics can, we can say physics is the king of the science. So we can define physics is the branch of science which deals with the nature and natural phenomena. Or we can say physics is also the exact science, or physics is the king of the science. Now physics has broad subjects. Others This is physics is divided into different, again in different branches. Different branches of physics are there. So the different branches are, means the different subjects are: number 1, mechanics, thermodynamics, then electrodynamics, then sound and acoustics, light and optics, nuclear physics, particle physics, quantum physics. So all these are the subjects of the physics. Now in mechanics, what we study? In mechanics we deals with the motion of the object in macroscopic world. Macroscopy means heavenly bodies, motion of the heavenly bodies, and this branch is based on the Newton laws of motion, and the Newton laws of motion come from physics. Next is thermodynamics, and in thermodynamics is a branch of physics which deals with the disorderly motion. Means this depend upon the temperature. If we increase the temperature, then the motion of the particle will increase. So we study in this the disorderly motion of the large number of particles. And in electrodynamics, what is electrodynamics? So electricity, Dynamics means magnetism. It deals with the theory of electricity and magnet. We study about electricity and magnetism. And next is sound and acoustics. And in this branch we deals with the nature and the propagation of the sound waves, how sound waves travel, propagate. So we will study in this branch about the nature and the propagation of the sound waves. And next one is nuclear physics. And in nuclear physics, it deals with the atomic nuclei and their properties. We will discuss about the nucleus of the atom and their properties. And next is particle physics. So this deals with the ultimate we deals with the ultimate particle of which matter is made up of. We discuss in this we discuss about the ultimate particles, the of the matter which it is made up of. And next is quantum mechanics. So what is quantum mechanics? In quantum mechanics, we deals with the mechanical behavior of the particle or submicroscopic particle, very small particles, means we deal with the mechanical behavior of the submicroscopic small particles, very minute particles. So this is about physics and its broad subjects.